Guys, what's happening? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today, this isn't actually going to be the day we do the whole video, so this is going to be based on a couple of days, but you ain't going to know because you're going to see it in one video. But a parcel's come. It took ages to come, to be fair, with bank holidays and all that kind of stuff. We've finally got something drastic happening to the tag, so I'm going to work shortly, but I want to unbox this and actually see what it's about. So I've heard good things, I've heard bad things, but we'll find out. So yeah, without further ado, let's show you what we got. Can you guess yet what it is? Can you guess? Place your bets. You probably already guessed. Maybe, I don't know. Let's open it up and show you all. Hopefully I can do this without using a knife, because it's not going to damage anything. Guess what it is yet? I think we're going to need an alternate. Ready for this, guys? 3, 2, 1. Comment down below. There we go. Got a fancy new front bumper for the Teg. This is a Mugen replica from Night Racer. So yeah, it took a bit of time to come, but we're here. Even the dog's trying to make an appearance. So yeah, it's a bit more aggressive, a bit more flowing. Obviously, if we do go turbo, we can have the turbo part work coming through there. Big fat cooler. You know the drill. So I've already looked and get some fancy canards here and then a cheeky splitter, and it'll look the nuts, man. I'm really happy with it. Some people don't like it, some people do. I think it looks a bit more aggressive, but proof's in the pudding when it's on the car and that. So yeah, I think it does need a bit of sanding because it has got some lumpy, clumpy bits. I think they just cast it and just keep making them basically. So yeah, Manny, if you're watching this, I don't think you got your work cut out, because obviously you're top of the game, innit? And that's why I go to you. But yeah, it needs a bit of sanding, I think. I don't think it needs too much, to be fair. Apparently it's a good fit. So what we'll do probably tomorrow or someday, we'll test fit it, see how it fits. And yeah, get it on. So I don't know if how well you can see that, but it's got a little like hairline, little lines going down it. So yeah, even down there at the bottom as well. But yeah, we'll see what we can do. What do you reckon, guys? Comment down below, let me know what you think of the new bumper. Guys, so now it's time. Let's take the bumper off and see what the other bumper fits like. I'm hoping it's going to be a good fit. I don't actually know what to expect. I just don't want gaps under the headlights, and I want at least like the side fitment to be nice, like there, nice and flush. So yeah, let's show you how to take the front bumper off. I ain't even got a clue how to take the front bumper off, so this is all new for me. So yeah, let's get the toolbox out, get the tools, all that kind of shit. Let's go. First things first, there is a little Phillips down there, like straight in there, so I'm gonna have to turn the wheel. Hopefully I can do it without jacking the car up. So undo that one there, then I'm gonna come along here, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6, and then hopefully this will pull out, and then it's just a case of undoing that one that side, and hopefully the bumper comes off. I can't see it being that easy, but you never know. So just to show you, I've tried to like pop this one out, but I've pulled the clip up. So don't try and pull the whole thing up. So make sure the bottom bit is seated like so, and then like try and, obviously I'm doing it, I'm holding the camera as well, so like flathead screwdriver or plastic trim tool removal kit. You can buy a good set off eBay or something, or Amazon. I'll try and link it down in the description. But like try and hold that down and then pull that up at the same time, and it will come out. There you go, easy as that. Yeah. Right, so we've hopefully you can still hear me with the wind, even though I've got the muffler thing on. Fitment ain't too bad, to be fair, considering the videos I've watched of these being fitted. It's actually better than I thought. So there's little lips here, which I'm guessing it's from where the fiberglass bumper. So obviously this isn't a genuine bumper, so I'm not trying to claim it to be anything. I just like the look of this bumper. So do you want to show them this bit? So I believe this is where they make the moulds on this little bit here. So when we put the bumper on, this bit here is pushing the bumper out. So I'm just going to nibble these off, and hopefully the bumper will sit a bit better. So let's go. Kind of on, but it's just something stopping us. Like here, we can't push it all the way back. Like, look where the stop on is. So there's no way that is going the extra mile. We feel like we've got a bit of resistance here. Obviously, this bit probably needs cutting to allow us to have a bit of movement. So yeah, we're in the thick of it here, I suppose, guys. This bit's not the best. Look, as you can see, it's on the headlight. And then this bit here is really tight here, and then a bit of a gap there. So yeah, it's I like the look of it. Look, it looks a bit mad, obviously, because it's white at the moment. But yeah, what do you think? Boy, so after a bit of cutting and that, I've like cut a little bit away here. Obviously, you ain't gonna see that when it's pushed up against the body and that. So we've got a little gap there, but I feel like that bit in there is, and that bit in there, so I'm not cutting the face of it, I'm just going to cut behind the fiberglass just to try and give it a bit of movement. Same here, it's literally catching on there and catching on the headlight, same as in there. So I think if I cut the back bit off, not the front or the face, we should be able to get it sitting in. So yeah, stick it off and give her another cut. What do you reckon? Let's get in there, innit? Then guys, this is it. I've done a bit of cutting, bit of hacking away at it, but I don't want to go to the point of no return. It's still not fitting amazing. As you can see here, I've had a little choppy as you can see in the videos. Like, oh, look at that. I did not like doing that, but I feel like I need to make this bit shorter so that then like it doesn't catch. It is being a bit of a git, to be fair, like as you can see on this side. I've cut it up there, hopefully a bit of body filler and a bit of mayonnaise, sexy paste or sort that. But at the minute it looks like it's catching here, so I'm guessing I need to cut this bit out a bit more, and then hopefully this bit will sit further back, because I don't feel like it can go any further back, which obviously, see, we can get that bit up a bit more, but it's still catching there, man. So yeah, man, what do you think? What do you think of the new bumper? Some people are going to love it, some will hate it. I think it looks like a little whale or something like that. So yeah, it takes time, bit by bit we'll get there, but yeah, I think it looks quite cool. So here I've cut a bit off here, like it did like come around there before, but it's catching, so I might have to like take a little smidge off there again. This bit, like I feel like it's got to go to this line for some reason. Obviously like here's not the best. This ain't too bad, to be fair, it's not bad fitment, but here I feel like I need to chip some out of that to maybe push it further back, I don't know. But then you come over to here and you've still got a bit of a gap, but obviously I can't go any further this way because it's getting caught on that bit there, so obviously it's causing the flex. So it's I'm no body shop on that, but I don't want to do any irreversible damage to it. So yeah, man, what do you reckon? A couple of canards there, cheeky splitter. Honestly, you probably can't see what I'm visualising, but it'll all come together sooner or later. Allowing this, because if this bit could literally come a couple of mil out, we probably wouldn't have that gap as much, so I can push it up a bit, but the resistance is there. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a bit of a mad one, trying to get the bumper together. I know it's not a big massive part of the puzzle. It's just I'm trying to do bit by bit. Obviously I can't spray it, I've never prepped properly before, so hopefully, Manny, if you're watching this, you sexy bastard, hopefully you can get it sorted and get it looking proper. Only the best. So yeah, it's gonna be a mad one. We'll see what we can do to it anyway, and see where we go. So make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, all that kind of jazz, and thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.